Introducing the 12-foot Saturn PK365 inflatable pedal kayak. The inflatable pedal kayak is ideal for fishing, fitness, and water adventures. Compatible with most beach chairs for added comfort. Easily secures with double D-ring straps. Beach chair provides a comfortable ride with reclining support for maximum relaxation. Pedal drive delivers impressive speed, up to 4 miles per hour. Pedal drive easily lifts up for shallow waters. Pedal drive installs and removes easily with simple locking system. Multiple steering options available. For example, use a kayak paddle to steer. A kayak paddle can be used to adjust direction. Saturn PK365 inflatable kayak, also available with an included rudder, steering system, and lever. Bottom fin can be removed for use with rudder setup. The Saturn PK365 can also be used as a regular pedal kayak without pedal drive. Offering hands-free operation, this pedal inflatable kayak is perfect for fishing. Legs are naturally more powerful than arms, which is why pedal-powered kayaking offers efficient, hands-free cruising with less effort and more fun. Order PK365 inflatable kayak at boats2go.com.